Johnny, did you put out the bin?
I did, yeah, I did. Get your little wheelie bin and push all of your rubbish in. You better hurry, don't be late, they'll soon be outside of your gate.
Are the bin men coming? Are the bin men coming?
As the cry of every woman, will the bin men come today?
They'll be looking for your wheelie bin. They'll be looking for your wheelie bin.
You better hurry, don't be late, they'll soon be outside of your gate. Every Thursday they're on time, whether it be wet or fine. They're the bin to shift your bin, no matter what you put therein. They always have a big hello, even if they don't know. Charlie wears his hair so long, but the driver's hair is long since gone.
Are the bin men coming? Are the bin men coming?
As the cry of every woman, will the bin men come today?
They'll be looking for your wheelie bin. They'll be looking for your wheelie bin.
You better hurry, don't be late, they'll soon be outside of your gate. So you wheel your bin back in again. Next week you'll fill it to the brim. Where does the rubbish all come from? Will it still be here?